Welcome back everybody, I'm Soulman. Previously we talked about 면 or 하면 for if and when. Today we are going to cover another expression on how to say A and B as well using 고 and 도. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a connector that connects a group of words to a group of words. But English grammar is so much different from Korean grammar, so we don't want to compare one by one. Just think it as a connector. In Hangul, a conjunction can connect word to word, phrase to phrase, or clause to clause. Let's review what we have learned at the previous episode. You already know how to say if or when expression using 면. When you feel cold, drink coffee. 추우면 커피를 마셔. Here, the character 면 is actually a conjunction. If or when you feel cold, then drink coffee. 추우면 커피를 마셔. In this case, the conjunction or connector 면 connects two blocks of word or words. 춥다 with 커피를 마셔. Can you see that 면 is connecting two white blocks over here? Okay, let's find out what other conjunctions we have. Okay, today's conjunction is 고. 고. 고 is very similar to English and, which connects A and B. When you want to say winter is cold and summer is hot, then you should say 겨울은 춥고. Here we see the 고. 여름은 덥다. Here 겨울은 춥고 is one clause and 여름은 덥다 is another clause. So 고 is connecting one clause to another. Here is a similar example. Cola is cold and coffee is hot. 콜라는 차갑고 커피는 뜨겁다. 차갑다 is a root word for cold and 뜨겁다 is a root word for hot. 콜라는 차갑고 커피는 뜨겁다. 콜라는 차갑고 커피는 뜨겁다. Therefore, 고 is connecting 콜라는 차갑다 and 커피는 뜨겁다, acting like and. Now you know how to connect two group of words using 고 as an and. Let's learn how to say as well or to as a companion expression using 도. 도 is like a to or as well, so me too can be said in Korean as 나도. 나 is me or I, so me too becomes 나도. 나도 in Hangul. So when somebody says, I'm gonna order some Korean food, anybody else? And you can say 나도, 나도, me too, me too. This 도 is a tail character which comes at the end of a noun. Okay, let's build up some clauses or sentences using 도. Drink cold water as well or drink cold water too can be said in Korean as 찬물도 마셔. 도 is as well or too. We already learned that 마셔 is asking or suggesting to drink. 찬물도 마셔. Drink cold water as well. Okay, here's a quiz for you. How do you say drink hot coffee as well or drink hot coffee too? As we already know, hot coffee is 뜨거운 coffee, 뜨거운 coffee. 마셔 is drink. So, how do you say it in Hangul? 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. Make sense? Finally, let's build up a full sentence using both 고 and 도. So in English, do A and do B as well can be templated into Korean as A 고, B 도. A 고, B 도. Let's take a look. Okay, we are ready to build a full sentence using 고 and 도. When somebody says, oh, today is so hot, then you can say, do shower and drink cold water as well. So how do you say it in Hangul? Do shower is 샤워를 해. 해 comes from the root word 하다, but when you say 해, you are asking or suggesting somebody to do something. So 샤워를 해 means do shower. But when you want to attach and as a connector, do shower and, then 샤워를 하고. Then you want to say drink cold water, which is 찬물을 마셔. But if you want to say drink cold water as well, then you need to say 찬물도 마셔. 찬물도 마셔. Drink cold water as well. 샤워를 하고 and drink cold water as well. 찬물도 마셔. So this is a full sentence using both go and do. Do A and B as well. Okay, here's a quiz for you making a full sentence using go and do. When the weather is cold, your friend may say, "Oh, I'm so cold." Then you can say, "Do exercise and drink hot coffee as well." How would you say that in Hangul? Do exercise is 운동을 하다. 하다 is a root word. So when you want to say do exercise and, then you can say 운동을 하고. Drink hot coffee as well. 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. 운동을 하고 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. Okay, let's use everything we learned so far. 면, 고, and 도. If you feel hot, 더우면 do shower and drink cold water as well. 샤워를 하고 찬물도 마셔. 더우면 샤워를 하고 찬물도 마셔. Why do you complain? Strictly speaking, what we have learned, A를 하고 B도 해 is a correct way of saying that. Do A and do B as well. However, A도 하고 B도 해 is more frequently used expression to say that one, especially in spoken Hangul. So applying that pattern, A도 하고 B도 해, you can say that if you feel cold, do exercise and drink hot coffee as well can become 추우면 운동도 하고 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. See the double dose over here? 추우면 운동도 하고 뜨거운 커피도 마셔. Using double do and do is so much natural to say in Hangul, and if you say like this one, they will think you as a native Korean.